So let's talk about the P word, plagiarism. Now, plagiarism is not a new problem at all. It has been around since the dawn of time. And it's simply claiming that work that you submit in an educational setting, school, TAFE, university, was done by you when in fact it was not, either by somebody else, the internet, or now ChatGPT. This is ethically wrong because it is dishonest. It gives the assessors a false understanding of what you actually know and makes assessment really, really difficult, if not impossible. Now, schools and universities around the world already have extremely harsh consequences for students caught plagiarizing. Some have automatic failure policies, some will make you repeat an assessment, some might even kick you out of the course. So, this is serious. Now, there are already plagiarism checking programs in use. For example, Google Classroom has a feature that does this. But AI is advancing so quickly that some of them can actually bypass these safeguards, which makes things really complicated and puts the responsibility back on you as students. So, why do students plagiarize? Now, there are many, many reasons. It's not always as simple as just being lazy. Sometimes there is a lack of time. Sometimes you guys are disorganized. There's a lot going on, sports, social activities. Sometimes you may just not understand the content. Sometimes you might be feeling the pressure to gain really good marks, either from yourself, your parents, your teacher, or you may need a certain score to pass a unit or subjects. Now, there's many reasons, some are legit, but plagiarism is not the answer.